Fine now?
Yeah, and that is trying it. Where's your remote?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, there you go, didn't you?
Yeah.
There, set up. That's cool.
Oh, there's Lego food in the pack.
More power. It's heavier because the phone is heavy. Sit close to the couch.
I think that was. Are you gonna rebuild it? I pressed and putting it off. The train not making any sounds anymore.
You try that?
Okay. I got it out for 4 speed.
Man, you get so much stuff everywhere.
What happened? What?
No?
So we just put that back on the rail. Oh, something fell off the rails. Maybe because it's not meant to hold the phone.
What?
Oh, there's someone in the tracks. What is that? There's a Lego piece. I found a Lego piece in the tracks. Okay. Time 4. Oh, attempt 4 I was gonna say.